going? We are here in Los Gatos, California. We're removing this 120-foot redwood tree. We're at a previous client's house where we redid their garden a couple years ago, and they had this tree in their backyard that they were trying to preserve. Gotten to the point where it was just too large for the space. It was starting to have some health issues, so they are having a tree service do the removal. And instead of just taking it to the landfill and shipping it, we are going to be using a crane to cut it down into sections, and they are going to be loading it into the back of my truck and trailer, where we're going to take it to our sawmill and utilize it for slabs and dimensional wood and return it back into some of our own products. Actually, we're going to use the wood back here at this house to build them a bench. There's currently a bench that goes around the redwood tree that's been damaged, and so they're going to use the redwood tree that they're removing to fix the bench and kind of return it back to the site. So really complete a cool story and just do honor to this awesome material and keep it at the landfill.
The tree was planted by the original owner of the house sometime after 1958, probably 1958 to 1960. And it's been a gorgeous tree. It was probably 80 feet tall when we bought the house. It's grown to 120 feet. It's a double trunk Aptos blue redwood. We've always taken care of it, but about a year and a half ago, some of the upper branches started dying off. And then last winter, when we had that big winter, there was a big branch that fell into a neighbor's yard. Some of these branches are over 100 pounds. And that had happened once before, and so we decided that we needed to probably remove the tree for safety. It's hard to know when people have cut roots, but I know that some neighbors have cut some roots. So I think with that and the weather conditions, it's so big, it just needs so much water and it's just not getting enough. And so the die-off could be due to pests and drought or either one of those. We lost a couple huge Monterey pines in the park a block away this past year. So these were just kind of indications to us that the tree could not survive long-term anymore in this kind of setting. We're gonna upcycle, Ellen will upcycle, which is great. Maybe we can put a little bench or something underneath where the tree used to be as a tribute to it.
We're gonna drop it right in the truck?
Drop it right in the truck, baby. Right after this expert driving demonstration. Too long for the truck. Whoop. I'm looking at the strap, and the strap says 3,300 pounds. He said 7,900.
Are you looking forward to this ride on the freeway?
Not really. That's why I'm taking the back roads. Until next time.